Okay. Okay.
Jacqueline, I want you to focus in from your perspective. Let's see what has happened. Go right now. It's okay. What's going on now?
There was a baby.
Okay. Tell me about it. Was this you? Whose baby was this?
My baby.
Right. It's okay. You can bring up the emotions. You're protected now. What happened with this baby? Go ahead now. You're doing fine.
It's not there. I don't know.
Okay. Take a moment now. I know this is very emotional, but you'll be able to sort it out now. Tell me about the baby.
He's not there. I don't know.
Now, very upsetting to watch this. Keep in mind that this allegedly is taking place in 1870.
1790, something like that. I don't know. You know, who can explain all of this? But just very quickly, you know, on the line, when that was happening here, there were people all over the lot who were watching it because we can do that. We can flip stations. These are jaded television people who've seen everything at one point or the other. I have had more people come up and ask me about that in the last few weeks. It's unbelievable. It's really fascinating to be hypnotized. And I think I was.
A good day for me is when everything goes smoothly and I can beat the pain. It's a game here at the end, you know. There's a lot of pain involved. I've got cancer in the bone, also have the cancer in the nerves, and the combination of the two have left me paralyzed and also in quite a bit of pain. If I can beat the pain and monitor my pain medicines well enough so that it doesn't interfere with what's really going on with the rest of me, then I'm okay. That's a good day, you know. Some days my body doesn't work as well as it could. Things just don't run as smoothly in terms of all the general things most people take complete for granted of, you know. But if I can just maintain my peace each moment, not get anxious, not allow fear to get in the way, and stay in the moment and still enjoy it, even if it's not working perfectly, you know. I can turn a bad day around to a good day. I can turn it around any time. It's just a change of consciousness. Of the reality that they may be dying soon, or that they are dying soon. The one piece of advice I can give them is not to be afraid of death, that it is a very, very peaceful next step, and that this is an infinitesimal small blink of an eye in terms of time and this experience on this earthly plane, this physical plane. I think death is release.
Who says